people. This is the land of people. This is the land of people. This is our land. This is the land of people. This is the land of people. This is the land of people. This is our land.
Ken huan tam barwai kabala pau nakane ke jilla jangi ya kabala tep kerteng kum ka samasal hakabakan salat ban pensawa ya kiriti ki dister jang ka rilom khasi jangi na ka jingtam jingrai hak ki laitri kiri kata ka Germany, Switzerland ba Denmark. Ya kane ka jinglat ban jam shakilaitli kiri la babisa da ka Mikhalaya H Limited bat katran arts culture ka sarkar jilla lamba ka jingno sunyang lang ka Indian Council for Culture Relation jang ka sarkar India.
But it is an opportunity for the state of Meghalaya, as you are aware that the Somersault as a music troupe, as a folk fusion music troupe in Shillong, will have this opportunity to travel to 3 countries in Europe. That is Germany, Denmark and Switzerland. Somersault is going there because of the India Week Hamburg 2021. So that is some sort of an event where the Indian diaspora come together to explore, and build the relationship between the 2 countries. And we will be performing predominantly in Germany. But there will be a city in Denmark that we will also be performing, and there will be one city perhaps in Switzerland that we will also be performing. And I will give you the details. The details which is already part of the press release. The first one will be in Bremen in Germany. That will be on the 6th of November. And the second one will be in Hamburg in Germany. That will be at the India Week Hamburg 2021. And this will be actually at the office of the Consul General in Hamburg. The third one will be on the 12th of November in Hanover, and the fourth one will be in Hamburg again on the 14th of November, and this is a theater. After that, we come to 15th of November, where we will be performing at Horsens in Denmark. That's the name of the city, Horsens in Denmark. And then we end with another show in Hamburg, which is the Hard Rock Cafe Hamburg. Kani kadai ka kabuk ser ya ka ban Somersault badru ya ka state jungi hibro ko namar habang ile chthi kamut bang isulet ban chutem ban chuan no kun kut kum to nrei ni don ru ka jingkit khri ban yatho khana ya kani ka jinglong jingman hangni hari khasi jungi ga jing itanat jong kari khasi kiksha ki bono rumphum ki kini ki jingking ding trai ki ba simpor ki snem ki spa snem ba kin long kum to kum ki long daga jing tre sitom jong ki brio jong ki than lagade hamon nong hanoriat ba ki we ki mau kor not ba kum ta ter ini tho khana ki to ini tho khana ya ka tur mai le sing ini tho khana ya yo shenrai na la ka dong ini tho khana ya ka rindia ini tu kana ya ka sora ini tu kana ya ikini ki jingi tanat jong ka ri khasi te kata ka de ka jingmot bat ka jingmot ru kolong ba ha ka we ka sngi dalakham lat nau ni covid mot ba kitai ki brio na thiru ken kwa banwan kini ki ri ban yo ka jat ki ri khasi jongi khanang ba kanlong ke ai ba smo tanat ka be dei bat ka tourism ha ka be dei bat ka culture te kandon kata ka jingya jan bat ki brio ha Europe te data I jingmut namar ba PE ha kini ki snam ki balet te jing wan jong ki tourist ki nong jong kai per the klan khambun te hnrai ki tourist ki badas ko tho shisha ya ka jing long jing man jong I kum ga jai men ri bada ki khamduna te ka jingmut ru ka long ba kum no ngin la ban ya kren so tho bat ban la ban penwan ye ki breu ki ba song tho shisha ya ka rukam kiba songtho iga jingim mo nashathi ki than pekinwan chikani ki rikhasi jongi te itai de I ba ijingmut jongkane ka jinglet but ni khemla ro khemla ai jing ai khuble ya kini ki priyo ki ba la krishan shangi kentu ya ka Department of Arts and Culture nang ta ka tourism department lingba ka Meganen Age Limited but ru ya ka ICCR ki la ya wan lang but kiwi bede kinong krishan ban penlong ya kani ka ba job ti ngi kermen ba ngin la ban shimi kani ka jingki kri ban ngila ban wanra ya ka ke pasutanat ban long jing mentoy tang ya ka ban rei ya ka jela hi prokoi
jingroi khasi jingroi jongi hi te ngi de ka ban ka batem borokhat ki kintin jing sha long ngi roi khtin phareng ru khtin khasi ru khtin hindi ru rei hakane ka sen ka ba khampla ka long ba ngi pinkre kindia ki jingroi Jerman ru te ngi dan bok kandan kata kandan ka jingya sulthu ka jingya singai mo le se ka jing singai na kalyang jongki begini sungo ba ki nong India ki wan roi da khtin jongki batru ngi ko ban kababun hi ngatrai na ki jing roi de ka di da khtin khasi ba da khtin phare de kitar ki babun ki de ki jing roi jongi hi ki ba ngi thau hi de ngim jurai hi ki jing roi jongki longim jule ka was ani roi jing roi gibre de ngi lapun kre ki babun ki jing roi khasi jing roi phareng hendre ki don kindia ki jing roi hindi bat ki jing roi Jerman